Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about variable. What is variable? Variable refers to quantity or attribute whose values, we can say that, whose values varies from one investigator to another. What is variable? That Before that, I will discuss the variable word is derived from the word vary, 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 and it means differ or change or change. Hence, variable means the characteristics which differ or changes, or a variable refers to quantity or attributes whose values varies from one investigation to another. That is variable. Okay, I will explain it with example. Like suppose example of suppose price of goods. The price is a variable. Why? Because why price is considered variable? Because uh, its values is varies, or price varies of according to the commodity and price is a variable as price of different commodity is different. We can say that different commodity price of different commodity is different. uh, Price of goods changes. Different commodities have different price value, so we can say price is a variable. Next one example more here. Suppose age is also variable because age of different students varies. Person to person age varies. That's why age is also considered as a variable. Next one is various things. We can say that these are variables like height of the students, like weight, wages, expenditure, imports, production. These are considered as a variable because these their value varies from one investigation to another. Okay, now types of variables are two kinds of variables. First one is continuous variable and second one is known as discrete variables. There are two kind of variables. First one is continuous variable, second one is discrete variables. First I will discuss what is continuous variable. Now, those variables which can take all possible values in a given specified range are termed as continuous variable. Suppose for example the height and weight of individual can be of any value within the limit. Okay, I am writing over here what is continuous variable. Those variables which can take all the possible values integral as well as fractional in a given specified range as termed as continuous variable. I will explain with example. Suppose weight of 50 students. I have data of weight of 50 student. This is the example of continuous variable, and suppose this is table number 1. There must be name of table, number of table while we are representing the table. Suppose weight, in one column we will write that is variable weight, and then number of students. This is variable. So suppose weight we represent in terms of kg. Now weight, suppose 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60, and 60 to 65. Here the number of students, this is the variable because that varies according to the students. So weight will be the variable, and number of students, that is known as frequency, that I will discuss next after completing the concept of variable. So this is variable. Weight is considered as a variable because their numbers varies according to the change in the students, like one is investigation to another. So number of students, suppose in 40 to 45 kg 22 students, then 45 to 56, then 9, then 10, and then 3. The total student will be 50. That should be 50 because we have 50 students. Okay, so the total students. Okay, thus the height and weight of individual can be any value within limits. Data is obtained by the measurement. Data is obtained by the measurement. So this is known as continuous variable. Okay, now next that is discrete variables. Again I repeat it, what is variable whose values varies from one investigation to another. A variable, the word variable basically made from the word vary means change. Okay, and what is variable? Again, the value which varies from one investigation to another. For example, here that is price, age, height, weight, revenue, expenditure, because these value varies according to from one investigation to another. Means value of price varies according to the commodities. Different commodities have different price, like age is of the population also varies. Then height and weight and revenue, expenditure, all these are variable. There are two kind of variable. First one is continuous variable, second is discrete variable. What is continuous variable? Those variable which can take all the possible values as integral as well and fractional in a given specified range. You must remember that there is, that is the written here word, that is range. And with the help of this table, this is you can understand what is continuous variable, because here the range is written, like 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and then number of students. This is the example of continuous variable. Next one is discrete variables. Now student, discrete variables. What is discrete variables? Discrete variables which are capable of taking only exact value, not any fractional value. As in continuous variable, we used to take fraction value also, but in discrete variable which are capable of taking only exact value. Here I am writing here variable which are capable of taking only exact value, not any fractional value are termed as discrete variables. Okay, for example, number of workers. Example, suppose number of workers number of students in the class, number of students, there will be no range. As I discussed in continuous variable, there was a range of variables. Here exact variable will be considered, like, okay. Similarly, number of children in a family, but there will be no fractional values. There will be complete, in case here in discrete variables, exact values are taken into consideration. Values are not taken into consideration. For example, with the table, I will explain it again. Table number 2. Okay, suppose we have table of number of students, number of children, number of children in 40 families in a colony. Okay. That is a table of number of children in 40 families in a colony. That's again number of children, and second column is number of families. Like here it will, in a discrete variable, exact number will be taken, like number of children 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose 0 children means there is no child in family of locality. These kind of family are 5, then 7, then 25, then 3. Then total number of families should be 40, because we have data of 40 family, and that is total children. Okay, suppose here in discrete, this is a discrete data of discrete variable. Here exact number is taken into consideration. There is no fractional number. Discrete series, the fractional number will not be taken into consideration, and there is no range. Range will be considered in the continuous variable. So these are two kind of variable: continuous variable, discrete variables. And now if you discuss about difference between discrete variables and continuous variable. There are difference between, if you discuss in terms of difference between discrete and continuous variable, we can write like this. Suppose we have in one column, I will write discrete variable, and in another column there is continuous variable. What are the difference, students? In both are variables. There are two kind of variables. Again I am repeating. There are discrete variables and continuous variable. Variables are divided into two groups: discrete and continuous variable. What is discrete and what is continuous variable? Discrete variable is a variable which is capable of taking only exact value, not any fractional value. Most important difference is exact value. Discrete variable is a variable which is capable of taking only exact value, not any fractional value. Whereas in continuous variable is a variable which take all the possible values, all the possible values, whether integral, fractional, etc., in a given specified range. In a given specified range. Here data is shown in the form of range. Here the exact value is given. There is no fractional value in discrete series. In continuous, all the possible values, integral or fraction, both. Another difference, major difference between discrete and continuous value is this variable increase in complete number. Whereas this variable can increase in fraction as well as complete number. Increase in fraction as well as complete number. Okay, now next one more difference can be here, like in case of discrete variable, data is obtained by counting. Data is obtained by counting. Data is obtained by counting. And in case of continuous variable, data is obtained by measurement. Suppose we have data of height, and height may be in fractional. How can we measure height? That cannot be counted. Here is the need of measurement. So here data is counted in measurement, and here is data can be obtained by counting. Examples I already discussed. What is the example of discrete variable? Like number of workers, number of students in class are discrete variable because they cannot be fractions. They cannot be in fractions. Number of students cannot be in fraction. Number of labor cannot be in fraction. So that variable will be considered in discrete variables. Whereas in continuous variables, like example of continuous variable is height, weight of individual are continuous variables as they can be in fractions. Okay, these are the examples of discrete variables and continuous variables. I hope student you must understand difference between discrete variables and continuous variable. That must be clear because this concept will be used in every chapter of statistics. These are the basic concept of statistics. You must know what is variable, what is discrete variable, what is continuous variables. If you have raw data and the question that is written that according to the suitability of variable form a table, then how you will form the table? If there is measurement, according to the measurement, the data is collected in terms of measurement, then you will convert it into continuous variable. If that is there is a data in exact value, then you can convert it in, data into table in the discrete variables. Okay, now next concept related to this, that frequency, another most important concept. That first one is variable and second one is frequency. Now next concept is frequency. What is frequency? Frequency refers to number of times a given value appear in a distribution. What does it mean? Suppose for example, that will be clear with the help of this example. For example, I have example like suppose 20 students in a class. Out of them we have result of 20 students. Out of them, suppose 9 students have got 70 marks, 6 students have got 85 marks. Then I suppose 5 students have got 92 marks. Okay, that is the result of 20 students of any class, where 9 students have got 70 marks, 6 students have got 85 marks, 5 students got 92 marks. Now what would be the frequency? These are the frequency because number of times a given value appear in a distribution, means that is number of time. According to this definition, number of times a given value appear in a distribution means 70 marks got 9 students, then 6 marks got 85 students, and 5 marks got 92 students. 5 student got 92 marks, 6 student got 85 marks, and 9 student got 70 marks. Here these are considered as a frequency respectively. Frequency will be 9, 6 and 5. This is the frequency. And next concept related to frequency is frequency distribution. distribution. Frequency distribution, like what is frequency distribution? A table in which the frequency and the associated value of variable are written. A table where, table in which, we can write like this, in which the frequencies and the associated values of a variable are written side by side, known as frequency distribution. Frequency distribution can be in discrete or continuous, depending upon whether the variable is discrete or continuous. It depends upon the variables. If variable is continuous, then frequency will be considered variable continuous, and if frequency in variable in discrete, then frequency will be considered in discrete. Okay, this is frequency distribution. Next class I will discuss about statistical series and types of statistical series. That is also very important concept.